Remodeling projects typically start with some sort of demolition work, and that often means removing drywall from walls and ceilings. And a great tool for that is a reciprocating saw. The problem is the long blade of the reciprocating saw will not only cut through the drywall, but also the wood framing and possibly any electrical wiring or pipes that are inside the wall. So to prevent that from happening, what we're going to do is cut the blade down. Now, the first thing you want to do, for safety's sake, is remove the battery from the tool or unplug it from the wall, and then pull the blade out to its longest position. And then use the same material that's on the wall, in this case, 1/2-inch drywall, to mark the blade. And now we're just going to use some snips to cut the blade down the size. This is a little hard to cut, but with a good sharp pair of snips, you should be able to work your way through that. So now all you have to do is take the cut-off blade, put it in the tool, power it up, and make your cut. I like cutting them into 2 or 3 foot square pieces, then you just pop them off the wall and dispose of them.